Hi, Evariste. I am working on your progress. Um, and so I noticed that you are working, but as you can see in um, module 1, 2, and 4 in part 2 here, um, I cannot mark you as having completed the module because if we go here to so here I am logged in as you, okay? So here is your status, okay? So part 2 overview is module 1. Module 2, how do you compare? Okay, so here you can see in module 1 in the report, I can't mark you as complete because this is not 100%, okay? Module 2, I cannot mark you as complete because the score needs to be above 70%, okay? Module 3, sorry. So module 3, this is the one with the assignment. As you can see in the report, I have that as complete because you finished 100%, 100%, 100%, and your score was above 70. Okay, so on my report, you get module complete, yes. Okay. And then in the module that we were just completing, let's write right, you haven't finished one unit. Okay, so you really please for the report to look like Epiphany, Philomene, Marie Rose. Okay, I need for you to go back and complete these missing items. Okay, thank you.